This one's pretty sad, but I'll probably put boards beside it and give it that much more strength and put a 4x4 underneath here, because this one's broke and I'm not that strong. But actually I fell through the floor. That's kind of unusual, I would say, but last year I fell through the floor and got a dancer's fracture, and I had to go around in a cast for 6 weeks. Where other people wouldn't work, I worked, and it was very clumsy. Looked like a club foot for a cartoon character of, what was that, Hunchback of Notre Dame? Sanctuary! Sanctuary! Anyway, I didn't stop though, we kept working. And I'm kind of glad we did. But here we go, we're going to do this terrace on up, we'll show you some more when we get done.